Welcome. In front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G56 5G, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your face unlock sensor doesn't recognize your face correctly. So you have to set up a new face model for your device. To do that, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then go to Device Unlock, select Face Unlock, and if you have previous face models installed on your phone, remove them. And once you do that, before setting up a new face model, let's grab a dry towel and wipe the surface of the phone of the camera with it to make sure you can clearly see your face in the camera, and also make sure that the lights in your room allow your phone to recognize your face as clearly as possible. And once you're ready, select Setup and proceed by adding a new face model. Once you're done, click Next, then Done, and then go back to Settings, select System Updates, and check if your device is up to date. If your device has any updates pending, then go ahead and install them, just to make sure that all the features on your device work up to date. And before we proceed, let's hold down the power key and restart the phone. Excuse me, let's hold down the power button with the volume up button and select Restart, and wait for your device to reboot. Once your device is restarted, let's try and unlock the device using Face Unlock feature. And as you can see, everything works properly, and so I hope it does for you too. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.